Home Remedies presents
7 Natural Overnight Beauty Tips Everyone Should Know. Are you looking out for some overnight remedies? No wonder a beautiful skin seems like a distant dream. But all is not lost, not yet, ladies. By spending a little time and effort, you can have glowing skin. Overnight treats for skin and hair are the best, and they work while you rest. Even best is the fact that the treatments get longer to work on your skin and hair, and you wake up to beautiful skin and hair. Today I will share with you my favorite overnight beauty tips you should definitely try as well. Treat acne overnight. To make an overnight acne treatment, you can make aloe sleeping mask. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons organic aloe vera gel and add a few drops of tea tree essential oil to it. Use this as a sleeping mask. Smooth, rough feet. Vicks works great to smooth the rough skin under your feet. Simply apply a thick layer of Vicks and cover your feet with a pair of socks before going to bed. Wash off in the morning. Nail growth. Mash 2 to 3 garlic pods and add warm olive oil to it. Pour everything in a clean nail polish bottle. Apply the garlic serum on your nails before going to bed for faster nail growth. Lighten dark circles. In a bowl, add rosehip oil and turmeric. Transfer it to an amber bottle and use it under your eyes before sleeping. You can also apply it as an overnight sleeping mask with the goodness of turmeric that has brightening properties. Clear, healthy skin. Fade, scars and pigmentation. To wake up to healthy skin, add rosehip seed oil. The oil is non-comedogenic and is perfect for all skin types. Mix it along with few drops of tea tree oil. Massage it before going to bed using upward strokes for 5 minutes to increase blood circulation. The massage will firm and tighten your skin, and the oil will keep your skin healthy and glowing. Wash it off in the morning. Longer lashes. For longer lashes, mix equal quantities of coconut oil and castor oil. Transfer it to an empty mascara tube and use the wand to brush the oil through your lashes before sleeping. Longer, thicker hair. Mix 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel with 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds powder. Use this hair mask at night to hydrate and nourish hair. It reduces dandruff and strengthens hair follicles, boosts hair growth, and makes hair thicker and longer gradually.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.